Boston Packs 87 back with another Illusions break. Had quite a bit of success so far with this product. I actually have 2 boxes of it, so I'll be breaking this one here in my hand today. As always, there are 2 autos, 2 mems, and a rookie jersey auto. One of the autos being the box topper, which I've had pretty good success with. Well, I guess it'd be pretty mixed results, but hold my hat on the 1/1 Calvin Ridley and the 3/5 Dalvin Cook. So definitely had some great pulls from this product, so looking to continue that. If you have not already, check out my recent break where I hit a 1/1 duel. It was a Marquise Lee. I just put it away now. Can't remember. It's a dual Jags auto. So pretty awesome hit. And what I hope to be an awesome hit. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that back there until I have something to take its place. Alrighty. With this product, I like to separate the fat packs. I've gotten pretty good at reading this product, because as you've noticed, I've been a pretty big fan of it. Alright, I think I got them all. Doesn't mean there won't be hits in these, just means they're likely in these, but we'll see. And then the box topper, of course. The thing I like a lot about Illusions, obviously there's good hits in them, but definitely a higher quality card. And they look awesome. Not to mention, you know, I've had great luck with it. So TJ Watt, Jameis, Richard Sherman, it's $4.99. Obviously, there's the background has a former legend from the team. I'm not going to read off those because they're not terribly important. Darius Geis, I'm actually going to start piecing him a little harder now. I wasn't collecting the base and the rookie cards and all that, but I'm going to start doing that one. That was a non-numbered Darius Geis, but I'm going to start putting those aside because even though he hasn't really done much in the way of playing for my skins yet, he's definitely someone I've already grown pretty fond to. Phillip Rivers. Got a Gostkowski Living Legends to 99. I think I hit that one already. I feel like it was at a 199 before, but either way, got that again. Never fun to hit a kicker, but, you know, it's a little different. Sam Bradford at 249. Alvin Kamara. And a Josh Allen rookie. Alrighty. Alex Smith. Got a Rashad Penny Mystique. Le'Veon Bell to $4.99. Jarvis Landry. And a carry-on. Alright, try to keep these a little more organized. I mentioned it in a previous video. I do have plans on changing my setup a little bit. I am expecting something that'll hold my phone to make it a little easier to record. Tyrod Taylor. Luke Kuechly, not numbered. Got a nice Josh Rosen to $4.99. Derrick Henry. And Calvin Ridley. That's who I'm really looking for. Hitting one of those. Kirky. Michael Vick, not numbered illusionist. Got a Pat Mahomes to 249. Jalen Samuels and Baker. Trying not to damage these corners, but boy, I'm doing everything I can to do it. All right, Rashad Penny. Looks like we have a red card. Bobby Wagner to 299. Darius Fountain to 199. Tony G and Alex Collins. Alrighty, so I was able to separate the base from the hits. So, let's go ahead and do them. Now, I can't remember. You'd think I would with how much of this I've opened now. But I can't seem to remember whether or not I've gotten a lot of nice patches or not from this product. But alright, so pull the back two up. Marshawn, James Washington, Naheem Hines. I'm going to quickly cover up the hit. It's the only thing, if I can complain about this product, is that they put the acetate right in front of the hit, and you can see right through the card. And that's the only thing I'm really not a fan of. That's the only thing I can complain about. Ooh, that's nice. Wow. 2 legends. It's tough to see the numbering, but it's 213 out of 299. Brian Dawkins and Ed Reed. That's a nice one. All right. I think it's a Saint. I see a little bit of goldish color poking out. Okay, yeah, I thought that point looked like a cowboy emblem. Marcus Davenport. Okay, it is an auto. Ooh, that's nice. 16 out of 100. I like that a lot, actually. That's a sharp-looking card. I can't remember if it's a... I think it's a 55 pointer. I forgot the stock of these cards. Pull a couple of the 55 mags over here just in case. Oops. Here I am knocking stuff over. Funny, I always have intentions of having these hits, or these breaks go a little faster. Seems like it should be easy to make them go faster, but it's just not. Alright. Some wouldn't mag that hit, but me personally, I like it. It's a nice looking card. The prism effect that Illusions is able to pull off with their cards is really nice. Ooh. I'll tell you one thing. I haven't seen the hit yet, but it is a nice color shining through. That's all I could tell. All right, Traquan, rookie. Big Ben, Malik Jones. We got a clear shots not numbered of Bobby Wagner. Obviously, we got the numbered version of that. And our hit. Let's look from the back first. Oh my gosh, I saw the initials SD. Oh boy. Give me his RPA. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's okay. It's player worn materials, so it's going to be patch. I like that a lot. Wow, that's nice. I mean, there's not a whole lot of color in the Jets jerseys to begin with, but it's out of 100. That's what I'm talking about. Just the color of these cards is just sick. If anyone hasn't broken Illusions yet, highly recommend it. It's a pricier break at like 150-ish, but it is so nice. Well, 150-ish. That's if you get a great deal. They're usually floating anywhere between 170 and 200, but I've been really price shopping recently. I don't have a mag that fits that yet, so whoops, getting ahead of myself. Ready to pop open the box topper a little early. So only 2 hits, and so far I'm happy with the box. The Davenport to 100, I think he's going to be a Pro Bowler in the near future. And then, of course, Sammy D, I can never complain. Mr. Sammy D. Off camera, gonna I do like how many numbered cards also come out of this product. All right, Nick Chubb, Alan Hearns, Greg Olson, not numbered, acetate, and our hit. Upside down. It's red. It's a Cardinal. No way. No way. Josh Rosen. Oh, give me an auto. Unreal. Oh my God. 2 rookies. Wow, that's a thick patch. Also numbered to 100. Wow, that's a thick patch. It's really hard to tell. I mean, you can see it poking out there. Wow, that is sick. Numbered out of 100. I can't remember his jersey number. Is it 3? Yeah, it's 3, okay. I thought it was 13 for a second. Wow. Gosh. You know, you get a few cold boxes and you just assume that you're always going to pull crap. And then you go through streaks like this where it's just completely changes things. I'm going to pull the box topper off because that deserves a seat. I hate not having it magged. Ugh, it's driving me nuts. Just know for those out there that are completely anal about that, I am as well, and I keep them in a very safe place until they're magged. But at least know that I'm keeping it safe in a sleeve in the meantime. All right, I'm going to pull 2 base in the front. Hit there, hit upside down so I can't see it. Filler card blocking it. Sit it down. If I get another solid hit out of this box, oh boy. All right. A-Rod, LeSean, Joe Mixon, Russell Wilson, and our hit from behind again. MW, Mike White. I've gotten so much of this guy. All right, player worn. Ooh, at a 50. 2 color. Again, not a whole lot of color available on a Cowboys uni. But again, a nice patch. Sleeve him up. It's 49 out of 50, so it's almost the last printed. But again, I mean, I can't complain. Wow, what a great box. And arguably the best hit of the batch isn't even open yet. These box toppers always give me such anxiety. Can't remember here. Okay. Here's the top. Ooh, it's a bear. It's a bear rookie. It's probably going to be... what's his name? Oh, okay. Raekwon Smith? Yep. I don't have one of his yet. I'll take it. Never thrilling, of course, getting a defensive player, but got to show them love too. Roquan Smith. There's the back of it. Not bad. Of course, I love the way they're already magged. Okay, so obviously got the Roquan Smith. Got the Mike White to 50. Got the Sam Darnold to 100. Marcus Davenport to 100. And our hit of the box, no doubt about it, Josh Rosen to 100. I hope he pans out. Really do. All right, guys, that is the break, and a successful one it was. Continue coming to see me hit fire, guys. It's been non-stop lately. This is Bustin' Packs 87 signing out. Please like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Until next time.